The important thing to remember about the GPT classify function is that you have to provide all of the data. So you provide the examples, you provide the categories, and then GPT classify will sort the examples into the correct categories. Now, if I want to go on with this table, let's say I want to add native habitat. I want to add a native habitat column. If I was going to use GPT classify, I would need to go over here and provide a list of all the possible native habitat categories. And that could be a lot of work to come up with all of those categories. But instead of using, at this point, GPT classify, I can switch back to the basic GPT function. So I'm going to click in this cell and I will type $GPT and select GPT, and I get a parentheses, and I'll select the rattlesnake cell, comma, and now I'll type the prompt. The prompt is quotation mark, native habitat for this example, quotation mark, parentheses. I'll press enter. And now I've got the habitat for the rattlesnake. I'm going to click in that cell where I've got the native habitat for the rattlesnake, point at the little blue dot in the lower right corner of that cell, drag down, and now I've got the native habitat for the other animal examples. I'm going to go up, I'm going to select that cell or those cells and go get my text wrapping tool and wrap the text. So I might do a little more formatting on this, but now since I just used the GPT function, which can generate data, I don't have to provide the data for the GPT function, but now I can add a column for native habitat without having to list all the possible native habitats.